Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss how to do search process in an array in NumPy. So search is a process of finding if an element to search is available in the given array. So we have two types of search processes usually. One is linear or sequential search, another one is binary search. The sequential or linear search will search the given element or element to search in the given array by comparing that with every element in that given array in a sequential fashion or one by one. So this is what called as sequential search. What is binary search is if your array is in sorted order already, then you can search the given element or an element to search in the given array by comparing it with the mid element of that array. Suppose if the mid element is actually greater than or less than your search element, then depending upon the condition, the array boundary or the array size will reduce to half in every round of the searching process. Now let us start discussing the linear search or sequential search. In NumPy, we have a method called where. So where is a method in NumPy that is carrying out linear search. So here it is accepting an array in which the search process is to be carried out as argument, and it is returning a set of indexes or especially a tuple of indexes where the specified element is found. Usually the search processes in other programming languages are designed to return only one index or the index of the first occurrence of the element to search from the given array. But where is designed to return the indexes of the various occurrences or all the occurrences of the element to search in the given array. Now how it is working, the syntax is numpy object dot where is the name of the method, then the array in which you want to search the element equal to then element to search. This is what the syntax of searching process by using where. Now let us create an array. So if you want to create an array in Python, especially in NumPy, you want to import NumPy into your program with an alias name. So import NumPy as np is the name of the object, NumPy object or NumPy alias in my program. Now let me call the array function or array method in NumPy that is accepting a list of values as argument and creating an array with that list of arguments or list of values, right? So 1 2 3 4 5, then again 4, then 6, again 4, then 7, then 8 or 8, right? So these are all the values available in the given array, and this array will make an array of all these values and it will return a reference to it. Let me store it into a variable arr. Now let me do the search process. So the search process will be carried out by calling where method. So where method is called by the NumPy alias name. So np dot then where, then it is accepting the array. It is accepting the array in which the search process is to be carried out as its argument. So array name is arr, then equal to then the element to search. So here I want to search the places where this element 4 is available. So in this sample array there are 4 places this 4 is available. That means are 3 places where this 4 is available. So here at 0 1 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. So 3, 5, 7, and these are all the places or these are all the indexes of the element to search for in the given array. Now let me give 4 here. So it will return the tuple of indexes of the places where the element to search for is available in the array. So it is returning a tuple of indexes. Let me store it into a tuple variable, for example, index. Now let me print the index. So print index. Now if you see, it is returning the indexes of the occurrences of the 4 in the given array. That means it is returning the index of the places or positions where the element or the value 4 is available in the given array. Now, this where function can be customized. This where function can be customized to check for a particular condition to be satisfied, right? Or check for an element that is satisfying a particular condition. So generally we can find a particular element that is available in that array or not, but we can modify this where function or customize this where function to check for an element that is satisfying a condition. Here for example, let me modify or customize this where function to identify the places where this odd elements or odd values are available in this array. So here 1, 3, 5, then 7, and these are all the odd elements or odd values available in this given array. Now how can I provide, how can I customize this where method? So when I am searching the element, I am giving the array name. But here I want to specify the condition exactly. So array name, and every element in the array name modulus division by 2 is giving the remainder as a result, remainder 1 as result. If you are getting remainder 1 as a result when you are dividing every element in this array by 2 using modulus division operator, then it is actually odd number, right? Now the places where these odd numbers are available are returned as a tuple of indexes, right? And let us run the code and check how it is working. So you see the places where 0 or indexes 0, 2, 4 and 8 are the places where this odd values or odd numbers are available in this given array. So this where function can be customized or modified to do or to select or to find a set of elements carrying out a particular or satisfying a particular condition. Now, next type of search process is binary search. So binary search is actually, it is the process of searching the given element in the sorted array in a fashion that every time that array is reduced to off, right? So every time the element is compared against the mid element in the array, and if the element to search is not the mid element, then your array is reduced to left of or right of, and so that your array boundary is reduced to off. So refer binary search algorithm in some sources, and here NumPy is making the work of binary search very simple by calling search sorted method. So search sorted method in NumPy is carrying out the binary search in the given sorted array. Okay, in the given sorted array, and returns the appropriate index at which a particular element is there in that given array. So the syntax of search sorted is the NumPy object dot search sorted of the array name and the value to search. So this is what the syntax of the search sorted. Now in the same array, let me use search sorted, right? Let me use search sorted. So before that, let me confirm that my array is in sorted order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So let me remove this 4, then 5, 6, then again remove this. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now all the elements are in sorted order. Now I am calling this search sorted method. So search sorted method, and the search sorted method is accepting the array name, so ARR, then the element to search. For example, let me search 7, right? And it will return the index of 7. Now let me run the code. So it's actually the index of 7 is actually 6 in the sorted order or in the sorted array. So behind the screen, the binary search algorithm is working, and it is returning the element to search or index of the element to search. So this is what actually the search sorted method in NumPy. So these are the two sorting ways or sorting schemes or methods available in NumPy to search two search methods in NumPy to search a given element in that array. So I hope that I understood the search process and how to use the where and search sorted methods. And let us meet in next video. Thank you.